Hello guys, Dylan here. Got a new bike. I'm gonna do a bike check. Dope bike, love it. Only had it for a few days. Since like Friday maybe, Thursday. Well, start at the front of the bike. You got Prima Barnes, can't really read anything. ODI long necks. Odyssey model lever, small lever. Fly cable. Montana bars, 8.75 rise. S&M Challenger stem with tie bolts. I also have a Primo headset. Odyssey Fly Agua 32 forks. A Keiichi Mach 2 front tire folding. I have a Profile Mini front hub with chrome DT Swift spokes and a Rhino light rim, sun rim, with a tube, tube. I got the Fly Montana frame, 20.6. I have the Fly Dose tripod seat and tripod post, 15mm foam and aluminum seat post. I have a Shadow cable hanger, Profile spline drive sprocket, 28 tooth, premium slims, pretty dirty. Profile magnesium cranks. Fucking dopest cranks I ever had. I got Fly Zaptos pads, Teptrode brakes, a Keiichi Mach 1.5 tire in the back, got a KM 710 SL chain. I got a sun rim with DT spokes and a mini hub. With a Bontrager tube in the back and in the front. Just realized that. I got Profile bottom bracket. And that's pretty much about it. That's all I can remember.